The latest macOS 27 update, together with iOS 27 on iPhone, brings three major new features to iPhone mirroring. The first feature is window resizing. You can now resize the iPhone mirroring window by dragging the edges when using built-in Apple apps or third-party apps. This works with apps like Photos, Music, Files, and many others, giving you a more flexible experience similar to using an iPad. To return to the default size, click the Resize button at the top of the window. You can also use the App Switcher shortcut to quickly switch between apps inside the mirrored iPhone window. The second feature is quick access to Control Center using a keyboard shortcut. Simply press Command+4 on your Mac keyboard to open Control Center in the iPhone mirroring window. The third major feature is DRM video support. macOS 27 now supports playback of DRM-protected video content directly in the iPhone mirroring window. As you can see, I'm playing a Netflix video without any issues. You can resize the mirrored window all the way to full screen. You can also use picture-in-picture mode just like on an iPhone. For the first time, DRM-protected content can be viewed directly through iPhone mirroring without the black screen issue found in earlier versions of macOS. These are some of the biggest improvements to iPhone mirroring in the latest macOS 27 update. That's it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Please like this video to support the channel and subscribe for more video updates.